3 freaking days straight. I don't get that because I'm not irresponsible and don't go out and get knocked up every time there's a party at the frat house.
He's not.
Well, he's getting bigger down there. Have you seen how he eats? It's disgusting. He doesn't even look at it anymore. He just shovels it in.
If you would, get to get out of my way. I mean, how many times I gotta drive ice cream on the shoes? How hard can it be? I guess I'm surprised I find you living with you. Oh, this is so sweet. Really? You didn't have to do this. It's... Thank you, but this is to fish. Because if you want fish, you're going out of another. Because yeah. Fryman told me that. Start a zoo.
Open this one, Meatwad.
Oh, fine. You didn't have to.
For the baby.
We got a car?
Carl does.
Eric, I'm afraid that would be a vulgar display of his power. Where'd you let me, Shade?
So what? Thought we had to put a bag over your head.
Look at that little baby. I stole this ultrasound program off the internet.
What? Stealing.
I said I stole it.
What'd you get me? The Lord of the Rings?
I already have that. It's on my hard drive. Alright, Meatwad.
Well, why should it?
I'm just gonna run this across your belly, and then we're gonna get to see the first look at it.
Is this the Lord of the Rings?
Oh my gee!
Is this a scary part?
This can't be right.
Yeah, his daughter's born. Oh, man,
Meatwad, I think you better take a look at this.
well, clearly these are eyeballs. Everything's going on in the world. Just evil.
They're spider rings.
Well, you know what's in this too as well.
The spider.
Let me see that again. Oh, my goodness.
You must have picked up a spider on the side of the road or something.
Well, someone please tell me. Is it the